In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Drive link for a folder. This is an essential skill to have, especially if you're looking to share your files with colleagues, friends, or family efficiently. Let's dive right into it and ensure you have a smooth experience in creating and sharing those important links. To start off, you'll first want to make sure you're logged into your Google account and have your Google Drive open in front of you. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen and find the My Drive section. This is where all your folders and files reside. Navigate through your folders or create a new one if needed and select the specific folder that you'd like to share. When you've highlighted the desired folder, you'll want to right-click on it. A menu will pop up offering various options. Look for and select the Get Link option. This is a crucial step, as this selection will generate a shareable link that you can copy and distribute. For those using the web version on your computer, you might see an option that says Share instead. Don't worry, both usually lead to the same outcome with just a few different visual steps. Moving forward, a dialog box will appear presenting you with sharing options. Take a good look at these options to decide the level of access you want to provide. Typically, you'll see settings like Restricted or Anyone with the link. If you choose the restricted option, you can then manually add specific people who can view or edit the folder by entering their email addresses. Alternatively, selecting anyone with the link makes sharing quick, as all you need is the link. Now, underneath that, you'll see the viewer option, which you can click to choose between different levels of permissions: viewer, commenter, or editor. This step is all about control. Think about what kind of access you want to grant. Perhaps viewing permissions are enough, or maybe you want the recipient to have editing capabilities. Just select the appropriate option based on your needs. Once you've set the desired level of access, click the Copy Link button. This action will copy the link to your clipboard, which you can easily paste into an email, message, or wherever you prefer to share it. Before finalizing, make sure to click Done to save any changes you've made. Lastly, as a quick tip, it's always a good idea to test the link yourself first, ensuring it works seamlessly and that the permissions are correct. You can paste the link into another tab or window just to double check. And there you go, you've successfully created a Google Drive link for a folder. With these steps, sharing your files has never been easier. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.